Hello everyone, this is Aya, and today I would like to share with you a small haul. This is part 1, and I'm waiting just for my Hello Bluebird order to come to arrive on Saturday. So hopefully I'll put this video together, both videos. So I have here a random haul, so let me share with you. So the first thing I got, this is from Honeybee Stamps. I bought it from Jamie's shop, and this one called Hello Summer. I really love the images. Then this is a Doco foil scrub. I don't know what you call this one. Stencil Pal from Simon Says Sam. Also from Simon, I really wanted this die really badly, and it always out of stock, but finally I got it. It's small. Is it fit for A2 size card? Yeah, okay. It's a decent size. And called The World Needs More People Like You. Next, this beautiful stamp set by Jamie. This is her own, brand. So I pick up this one because anything, with gnomes, I really love it. I'm going to link, of course, in the description box, everything. Yes, this is a coupon code, like $5 off from Simon Says Sam. This also Honeybee Stamps, and this one called a Sandcastle Builder. Then I bought these from Hobby Lobby. I don't know, I don't remember, like 30 or 40% off. So I paid like $13, I don't remember, for each. So I'm really excited to try these. Next, this beautiful watercolor from Altenew, but this is a gift from Tasneem, the owner of Altenew, gift for Eid. Next, from Hero Arts, I have this one called Winter Wreath Stamp and a Cut. So I wanted just because of this, fireplace. Next, we have this one called House Stamp and Cut. Houses, anything with houses, I really love. And last thing from Hero Art, this one called Fresh Citrus Ball Paints. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's some. Okay, I have to, because my son was playing with all my stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna show you some of Trinity Stamp new release. So this cute cat, I think, or dog, I don't know. I don't know. What? Parachute. Cute. What is the other stamps? Then this one also, and it's called Bright Side. So cute. And this one called Hello There. Hello There. And this is from Every Yale, called Monkey See Monkey Do. So cute. And not last thing, this one, Flip Flop Builder. And the last thing, I bought a Glimmer hot foil system. I'm not a foil person, and I really don't use foil. I think I never ever did or use, the foil. I have everything for the foil, but I don't know, I feel it's complicated, to use it. With that being said, when I saw Yana's Mukula, her video on, I think, Spellbinder channel, when she did an amazing cards using this machine hot foil system, I said, okay, I think I have to buy it. And I was praying that I will use it. But anyway, so when I look, see all the prices, Hobby Lobby was the best, because from $119 or $120 till $75, which is, I think, plus 40% off. And I said, and free shipping also. Yeah, also this from Hobby Lobby. I said, okay, let me get it. So let me see. I didn't even open it. The thing is, I hope that I don't only use it once, then, you know, keep it away. But let me see. Oh, okay, you know what? I have to do like a separate video about it. I know you're all excited now. I'm gonna open it, but I think I need to buy some dies. Very beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to do a video for this one. So this is my small haul. I'm going also to attach a Hello Bluebird after this. Thanks, bye. Okay everyone, I received my Hello Bluebird package or release. So first we have Frightful Little Bits. It's so cute. I don't celebrate Halloween, but I couldn't resist these cuteness, you know, ghosts. Then we have okay, no name. I think this is a beach scene. This is from an older release. Also this one, I think, I don't know, tree trunk or something. Also this is from the older release. This one is a new one, and I don't know, usually they don't write names. This beautiful scene with the mushroom and hell and flowers. Again, beach scene, but this time is, you know, for the slim line cards. Then this beautiful, and this one called Beach Play. I really love their, you know, their drawings. So cute. Okay, this is a die for a stamp I have. I'm not sure if it's here. Yes, okay, it's here. This one. It's Fairy Garden. Because of these flowers. I'm sure that Scan and Cut cannot, you know, read it, or I don't know how I'm gonna cut it. And the last thing, this one called Next Door Neons. So cute. Then this package came from Deanie's Body Designs, and I really love her chipboard, so let me show you what she sent me. This beautiful swan, and this is, maybe this is a birdhouse. Okay, has the names, good. So Swan Small. This one called Bird Feeder Flats. Then Bird Feeder Flat. Okay, there. I think this is maybe larger. I love anything with windows. This is church window card. Beautiful. Anchor. So you can, you know, just with these, or, you know, heat and boss it. Spooky brew. It's a pumpkin here. Then this is the Wicket. Deco label small. I'm gonna leave her shop in the description box. Lamp. Holy Square. Harlequin Long. Harlequin. Oh, beautiful, beautiful design. Ali Latex Large. This one called Baby Tears Squares. This one Deco Corner Large. I think this is Australian dollars, I'm not sure. Bird Humming. Cute. This one, Wreath of Throne Large. And this one is really huge. This one called Deco Doily Large. Yes, so this is my haul. I hope you like it. I'm going to leave some links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Hello everyone, this is Aya, and today I would like to share with you my DT package from G45, and this is for Fairy Wings collection. So let's get started. So the first thing, we have this paper, as again called Fairy Wings. So let me show you the designs. Amazing. So again, it's double-sided, 3 pages or 4, yes, 3 pages. Beautiful. And here you can some die cuts. Cute. Why is it like this? Okay. Oh my, this is beautiful. I can imagine this, like I can cut it like A2 size card, then I add my sentiments, maybe in black or dark purple, and you're good to go. This is the design, and that's the last one, and it's so beautiful. Okay, so this is size 8 by 8. Then we have here some journaling and ephemera cards. It's open like this. Find the magic. Okay, then a little sparkle. Now here, so 2 of each design. Oh, sorry. Magic, find the magic. Beautiful. And last thing, let your dreams soak. Okay. Next we have this one, precious pink flowers. Then we have some die cuts. It's all here. So we have 51 assortments, you know, of die cuts. I just want one because I see small pieces and I don't want them to go everywhere. Then we have here matte pearl gems with 3 colors. Then we have ATC matchbook, and this is an ivory color. And here we have washi tape and gloss gold. Okay, there's also these cards. Okay, I think it's, yeah, it's a part of this big one. So we have fairy wings, dreams. It's really beautiful. Okay. Then we have here ATC tag and pocket album, also in an ivory color. Anyway, these I'm gonna alter it and I will show you the video, of course. And the last thing, to be honest, I'm opening the box with you right now. Okay, there's some stuff. Okay, so we have, this is the larger side. This is 12 by 12. Okay, here. Then we have chipboard. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, I didn't. Oh, I really love their solid, you know, cardstock or the papers. Amazing. Okay, and they sent me this collection, Home Sweet Home. Let me show it to you also. So we have, again, chipboards, stickers. Okay. Oh, okay, here's some stickers. you know, nice, you know, if you're gonna write like recipes, do an album, recipe album maybe. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the Deluxe Collection, so it comes with stickers and chipboard. I'm really excited to work with these amazing products. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like, write me a comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite. Is it Fairy Wings or Home Sweet Home? Thanks, bye. Hello everyone, let me share with you the last haul. So we have some, so this one called, very beautiful, Hero Floral Magnolia. Then we have this die, Flower Garden Fancy Die. Then we have Fairy Window Fancy Die. Then last thing, this from Wreath Collection, Mermaid Die. Okay. Then from Altenew, the big box. You see, it's a big box, so I know of course what's inside. It took me, I don't know why it took me a long time to buy a mat, a craft mat. I always, after, yes, the last mat I bought, it's 2 years ago. It's the Holtz Glass Mat, but now I don't use it. I don't know.
One eternity later.
Oh, craft mat, because I ruined so many these, you know, backdrop. This is for taking pictures, and because I use for taking pictures and, you know, for tutorials, so it become dirty. I think I changed like 4 backgrounds, you know,
I got it.
4 backgrounds because they have paint or anything. So this one is a double mat, so black and gray. Definitely I will use the black because I love black, one of my favorite colors, literally one of my favorite colors. Oh, looks chic, amazing. Okay, then I bought some stuff from there. So this is their card, thank you, hashtag Altenew. There's a coupon code, 5% off, Altenew 2810. Thank you very much. I have their black ink and I love it. Then I want to try the ultimate metallic gold. Then this one, dark night. Then this one, a dark night. I love the second favorite color is the dark blue or navy blue, so I really love this one. Then I bought this die, this one called Craft a Flower Daisy. I'm so excited. So many good samples. So I'm really excited about this one. I don't have any die like this that build the flower just with dye, so I'm really excited, you know, without, you know, coloring them. This is mini inspiration guide. Beautiful. I mean, their marketing is really, really good. Very nice. It's really tempting. Yes, that's it. So that's my haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.